Welcome to multiple choice question 12 of the 2006 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now before we progress on to the question, I'd just like to point out that the CAS calculator is the most efficient way to answer this question. In fact, it really is the only way we can answer it. So question 12 says that a fair coin is tossed 10 times. So the word fair there is important because that will tell us the probability of getting a head or a tails is 0.5 or 50% and 50%. And the question goes on to say the probability, correct to 4 decimal places, of getting 8 or more heads is given by one of the following answers. So just quickly, we can set up x to be the discrete random variable that is distributed with the binomial distribution with a number of trials of 10 and a probability of success of 1/2 or 0.5 as a decimal. And what we're essentially asked to calculate is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 8. So just reading the question again, it says 8 or more heads, so that 8 is included. We can now use a calculator to help find that probability. On the CAS calculator, go into the main menu. Next, we want to find the binomial CDF command because it's a cumulative question that we're dealing with. So we go interactive, distribution, discrete, and we want binomial CDF. Next, it was the probability that we get 8 or more. So we need to put 8 as our lower bound, and it was a total of 10 trials. So our upper bound is 10, our number of trials is 10, and the probability of success is 1/2 or 0.5. Hitting OK will find that probability. So from the CAS calculator, we can see that that answer was 0.054, and then it was 68. So that will round to 7 when we answer this to 4 decimal places as required. So that means that option C is the correct answer for question 12. And from the examiner's report, we can see that the question was reasonably well done, with just over 70% of students getting the correct answer for that question.